Hey folks, we have the 5-piece extra deep set from Chrome Tools. It's part number 11006. Give you a little info on this. It is metric. Comes with 8, 10, 12, 13, and 14. They are 6-point. They are almost 5 inches long, 4 3/4. Here is your standard long socket, and then we're doing a 14 mil. 14 mil. These are 3/8 drive. That's a 1/2 inch drive deep. There is a huge difference in these things. Now, most people are going to say, well, why would you need something that deep? And there's actually quite a few different spots. Exhaust systems. When where your wide pipe connects in, you got that flange, where you got the long ass studs on them. Coming off of your intakes, your valve covers, they put the long ass studs. That way they can hang things on them. Then after you get everything else to the top, you got that real deep nut you gotta get off. Well, how does it fit the fastener? This is the Craftsman parent. They're all 6-point. Now we see how tight they are. This is the Quinn. As you see, nice and tight. This big thing, nice and tight. You see the wobbliness in that one? That one's not wobbling as much as them. Nice snug fit. Again, it's 3/8. You got some milling down here for your hands. If you're anything like mine, it's really hard for you to grip here, but when you get that little bit of millings, it helps you out a lot. This set is $35 on Chrome Tools. I think that's one hell of a deal. I will be doing another video once we use them some. That way I can tell you, what I think of them. They got some weight to them, but as long as that thing, see in my hand, as long as it is, it's gonna have some weight. Any extra features on it? I see all the lettering and the numbers are scraped in. It's not just some laser crap. So you definitely see it. See where it's made from. Does it say? Does it say? Does it say? Does it say? They are lifetime warranty. Just bear with me for a minute here. I'm going to see if it says where they're made from. And I am not seeing it. So I can't tell you where they're made from. But anyway, you could, if you got a 14mm spark plug, definitely you could use it, but there are so many things that these be used for that actually have a purpose. I wouldn't personally use them for spark plugs, but I guess you could. Anytime you got that long ass stud in there, they're definitely going to come in handy. Later, folks.